Welcome. Over the next few minutes, we will show you how to set up and enter bonuses and commissions as part of a salaried employee's paycheck. Sometimes salaried employees are paid bonuses or commissions in addition to their salary, and you want to be able to distinguish the different types of wages they are paid. First, let's create the default salary pay type field to calculate the bonus or commission when payroll is processed. Select the Employees and Payroll Navigation Center. Click the Payroll Setup icon, and then select Payroll Settings. On the Payroll Settings window, click the arrow icon next to Company Information and select Pay Types. In the Salary table, click Add, and then enter your new pay type name you would like to use to identify the additional earnings on the payroll entry window and on paychecks. We'll start by adding bonus as a pay type, and then we'll assign the appropriate GL account for the pay type. This is usually a wages or bonus expense type account. Next, we'll create a commission pay type and assign the appropriate GL account. Once you have added the new pay type fields, click Finish to save and exit the wizard. Now that the new pay types have been added, you must go to the employee's record and configure the pay types if you want them to show up on the payroll entry window with no associated amount. Otherwise, if you leave them as is, only the pay types with an associated amount will display on payroll entry. Click on a salaried employee's ID to display their employee record. And when it displays, click the Pay Info tab. The most efficient way to enter bonus and commission amounts is to add them directly to a paycheck when the situation presents itself. To do this, clear the Use Defaults checkbox next to the pay types with no amount. It will look like this. Then save the record and you are ready to create a paycheck. Let's click the Pay Employees icon and select Enter Payroll for one employee. Select the employee from the Employee Lookup list. As you can see, the two new pay type fields are available in the Salary Amounts section as additional types of pay, even though they have no standard amount. Now you can enter an amount when appropriate, and the program will add the amount to the employee's unadjusted gross earnings for this pay period and adjust the withholdings accordingly. Now, if you print bonus or commissions checks separately from an employee's regular paycheck, clear the default salary amount and then enter the additional earnings in the appropriate field. Because bonuses and commissions were defined as pay types, the amounts entered in either of these new fields will be added to the employee's unadjusted gross wages and taxed just like their salary. Although the steps outlined in this topic focused on creating bonus and commission fields, the same steps can be used to pay your employees for other types of compensation too, such as special leave or jury duty. Congratulations! You now know how to set up and enter bonuses and commissions as part of a salaried employee's paycheck. Thank you for taking this Anytime Learning topic.